All right, today we're going on a bit of a quest. We're going to lay out the entire blueprint for becoming a professional developer in the massive world of WordPress.
Let's just kick things off with one number, 43%. And trust me, this isn't just some random statistic. It's basically the key to a huge digital kingdom.
So what is that number? It's the percentage of the entire web that's powered by WordPress. Yeah, you heard that right. We're not talking about some small niche here. This is a whole digital continent. And for developers who know their way around, that means incredible job security and a ton of cool projects to work on.
So that really is the question, isn't it? It's like your call to adventure. Are you ready to start building for, well, nearly half the entire internet? If you're nodding along, then let's get started. Your quest begins right now.
Okay, so any good quest, any good adventure starts with a big choice, right? You gotta pick your character. And in the WordPress world, that means picking your specialty. Let's take a look at what you can be. Seriously, think of this just like a character selection screen in a video game. Are you gonna be the theme developer? That's kind of like the artist, right? You're crafting how everything looks and feels using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Or maybe you're the plugin developer, the wizard who builds all the cool functionality in the back with PHP and APIs. And then of course there's the full stack developer. They're the master of both. The cool thing is there's a path here for everyone, no matter what kind of builder you are.
Okay, so you've picked your path, awesome. But, no hero just walks out the door empty-handed. You need your gear, right? Your tools, maybe even a spellbook. So let's talk about the essential kit for every single WordPress developer. And look, before we get to all the fancy modern software, you gotta have the spellbook. This is that foundational knowledge, the stuff that powers literally everything else. These are the core fundamentals, and honestly, they're completely non-negotiable.
And here they are. You've got your basics: HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the front end, and of course, PHP for the back end. But if you really want to speak WordPress, you have to learn its unique grammar. We're talking about things like the loop. That's just the standard way WordPress churns through content to display it. Then there are the APIs that let it talk to other services. But the big one, the most important one, that's going to be hooks.
You know what? Let's just pause on this one for a second, because hooks are a total game changer. So what are they? Imagine that the WordPress core software has all these little, designated electrical outlets all over it. Hooks are those outlets. They let you plug in your own custom code safely at very specific points. It's how you can add or change anything without ever touching and breaking the core files. This is what makes WordPress so incredibly powerful and flexible.
So once you've got that spellbook down, once you've mastered those fundamentals, it's time to gear up. This is the professional toolkit. This is the stuff that really separates a hobbyist from a pro. And these three are basically your power tools. You've got Git, which is like a time machine for your code. It tracks every single change. Then there's Composer, which wrangles all the other bits of code your project needs to run. And WP-CLI, that lets you control your entire WordPress site using just the command line.
All right, so you've picked your character class. You've gathered your tools. What's next? You need the map, right? So let's check out the blueprint, the actual path from being a total novice to a pro.
And you know what? The path is actually pretty straightforward. First, you just learn the basics we talked about. Then, and this is key, you have to actually build something. Your first site, a simple theme, even a tiny little plugin. Just make something. After that, you start contributing back to the community, which, trust me, will make you learn so much faster. And from there, you use all that experience to go pro.
But, and this is super important, you've got to remember that this journey is never a straight line. You are going to hit bugs. You will get stuck. You'll have to go back and figure things out again. But every single one of those moments, every twist and turn, that's progress. Every problem you solve makes you a better developer.
Okay, we're at the final part of the quest. And honestly, this might be the most important part of all. You have to understand, this is not a solo mission. The biggest strength of WordPress isn't the software itself, it's the people. I mean, just look at this. The WordPress community is this giant global network. It's full of people who are just genuinely passionate about this stuff. You've got local meetups probably right in your own city, and these huge international conferences called WordCamps. There are allies everywhere, and they're all ready to help you out.
So how do you find them? It's easy. Look up a local meetup. Try to attend a WordCamp if you can. Hop on the official online forums. You can even contribute code directly back to WordPress itself. The point is, by just being part of that conversation, you're going to learn faster, you'll solve problems way quicker, and you'll find opportunities you never even knew existed.
So that's it. That's the blueprint. It's in your hands now. You know the different paths you can take, you know the tools you're going to need, you have the steps to follow, and you know where to find your allies. This whole digital kingdom is wide open for you. So there's really only one question left. What are you going to build first?